question from the last topic, which is preservation of food. So, Keshwani Fatima, you just unmute your mic. No one else is. No one will
किसका
speak.
माइक
Only
चालू है?
Keshwani.
म्यूट योर माइक.
Only
टॉकी
Keshwani.
क्वेश्चन.
Okay, the first I had explained that was drying, and for that I have shown this image also of the original grapes and the dried grapes. That through we can store it, we can preserve it. So these are the different ways which I had explained last time, I think so yesterday. The preservation of food means how to store the food that it will not get spoiled and it will remain healthy only. Who is that another representing the screen?
સ્ક્રીન જતી રહી છે નિષ્ઠા
How
તમારે.
that another is presenting the screen.
ઓકે ઓકે ઓકે.
Okay, so this we had completed last time, yesterday. See another again. Who is that? Alpesh sir.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, your screen is
But
not.
that ID, who is that Mahua wala? That is presenting the screen again and again. This Mahua wala.
મહુવા વાલા.
हाँ.
ઓકે.
रहना मुआ वाला.
बेटा किसी को स्क्रीन टच नहीं करनी है. हाँ, कंटिन्यू.
हाँ.
मुझे किसी ने बाहर निकाल दिया.
And this, what happened? Now these three also we had done yesterday. I had explained you different between putting anything down.
मैंने बाहर निकाल दिया था.
बेलिंग तेरा स्पीकर बंद कर बेटा. ओके, कंटिन्यू.
So this way we had understand that when we are keeping the food downside of the fridge and when we are keeping the food in the freezer, the two methods are there for that. Only refrigerating and the another is deep freezing, and in deep freezing method we are keeping the food in freezer. Then the last method was canning and bottling. So in the cans and bottles we are storing and preserving sauces and jams. Now next topic we have to start this today, that was revision. Now I am only reading because yesterday I saw that many of you are not at all in the discipline. So now I am only reading. First is rest. No, no one will read because yesterday I saw that many of you were not in discipline. You were in discipline, but so many else. So rest, posture and exercise, no one will read. Our body needs rest for proper functioning. Like suppose today if you will not take rest, then tomorrow again you have to do lots of activities, you have to do study, then you have to help your mother. So for all those activities also and the function which are happening inside your body, you are not able to do that. The in the functioning also, in doing some activities also, you will find some problem. And you will need energy also. So rest is very important. So first sentence is that our body needs rest for proper functioning. Even sometime if you will work without taking rest, your brain will also get tired. Then your brain is not able to concentrate. So your brain also need rest. Your body also need rest. Your brain also need rest. Now second sentence, we need in a day, means in one day.
मैम कोई मुझे
24 days.
मैम कोई मुझे रिमूव कर देता है.
I can't help you, sorry. So in 24 hours, all the human need at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep, and that is required. If you will not take that much rest, then next day or for next activities, you can't give your 100%, and otherwise you will do without energy, without interest. Now next sentence, like of sleep may result. Lack means less sleep, less sleep. Suppose instead of 6 to 8 hours, you are only taking a rest for 1 or 2 hours in whole 24 days. So in that whole 24 hours in one day, if you are taking less sleep, means less than 6 to 8 hours, it may result in improper functioning of body organs. So your body will also have some problem, your brain will also have problem, then you can't concentrate on your work. So that is effect of less sleep. Then next sentence, it can make us fall ill. Ill means you will get any diseases, fever or something. So for our health also, rest is very important, at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Then next sentence, therefore, staying up late is not a good idea. Staying up late means you should write a schedule and according to that you should act also. You have to apply that in your life that at 11 o'clock at night you must go to bed, because staying up late means till 1 o'clock at night or 2 o'clock night, if you will work, that is not a good idea. So if you want to maintain your health, your body and brain, then you must not stay up till 1 o'clock 2 o'clock at night. That is not good idea. Now second paragraph, posture. Posture means body movement. You can see that here this girl, how she is sitting. Sometimes we are not sitting properly, even not sleeping properly or walking, and because of that movement, we will get some pain. Sometimes if you sleep without pillow, then if you will sleep without pillow, then also you will get pain in your neck, then in your back, maybe you will get that pain. So the posture is very important, means our movement, our body, how it, while sleeping, while standing, while sitting, it must be proper. So posture refers to body position, that in which position you are sitting or in which position you are sleeping, that. Now second sentence in that paragraph, it is important for us to keep our back, means back side, below side of the neck, our back upright, straight, while standing or sitting. Even while standing also you must take care, and while sitting also, and while sleeping also, because it affects our body and especially our back and neck, because you may have some pain, you can get that pain. Who is presenting the screen? Now don't present the screen, huh, beta. So I was explaining this, that it is important for us to keep our back, means the part which is below our neck, back side, that should be upright, straight.
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन
Someone
चली
is
गई है.
presenting and now no one will present the
मैम आपकी
screen.
स्क्रीन चली.
Again and again someone is presenting the screen, then how I will present the screen?
चली गई.
You have some patience. So incorrect means which is not correct. That posture over a long period of time. Suppose you are sitting and writing something or doing some work, painting or anything, and your body position is not proper. Or suppose you are sleeping for 8 hours without pillow. So as you are not using pillow, maybe you can get some pain in your neck and back. So incorrect posture. Incorrect means which is not correct, and posture means body position of the body.
मैम कोई रिमूव कर देता है.
Then what can I do? I can't help you. Even see, because of some student, I am not able to present the screen also. So incorrect posture over a long period of time means till 2 o'clock, 3 hour or 2 hours. If you are still in incorrect position, incorrect posture, then can lead to pain. Means you will get that pain in your joints and muscles. Okay.
मैम हम पिलो की पकड़ सोते हैं तो सेहत अच्छी रहती है.
कौन है वो? What is your name? हाँ, you can experiment, but you have to see some scientific reasons also for that why we are using that, because it depends on the body to body, to person. You can try that, but after few years you will have some pain also. So tell me, after few years, what is the result of that sleeping without pillow? Okay. Now this exercise is important to stay healthy. And here in the school also, there is must PT lecture. So the reason is that only, that it is important to stay healthy. It will make you healthy. That's why we have that lecture. Then regular exercise. Regular exercise means your all the teachers are teaching you, means must PT teachers. They are teaching you exercise that you can apply that at your home also. You can do at home also. But if you will not do at a home and here only, then it will be less beneficial to you. So you have to do regularly. And playing outdoor games. And this is the most important thing, playing outdoor games, because many of you are only interested in mobile games. So mobile games, some tricky games are important, but more than that, these outdoor games are important. More than that, they are maybe important, but more than that, these outdoor games are beneficial. Like any game you can select: hockey, cricket, football, then volleyball, then so many games, and it helps us to stay fit. Now next is yoga. Yoga, an ancient method of exercise. Like in research also, sometime you are doing breath in, breath out. That is also a kind of yoga only. Means easiest level of that. Because through that breath in, breath out, you are cleaning your nose, and you are, who is that? And through that your lungs and respiratory system will be improved. So for that also, this breath in, breath out, and the basic yoga and the higher level yoga, everything is important, and also helps in keeping our body fit. So through that you will not become old very early. So I've shown some outdoor games also, the image of that. So you can play anything, you can select any game from this which makes you healthy. Now this we had done previously. Now I will say the ID name. That person will only give me answer. No other will give me any answer. I am saying the name of the ID.
मैम ये
Hokar
लिखना है.
Uvesh. No. Hokar Uvesh. Uvesh is there?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Read the first question.
Which is the balance lead?
It's not
Diet.
diet, it's diet. Very good. Balanced diet.
Balanced diet.
So I'm showing the image of textbook.
का food tennis.
What happened?
बोले खोखर हुए नाम आईडी हो देखो असलम खोखर यूट्यूब में चली जाओ आईडी पर
Uvesh.
यस
Read upside. What is written?
कया
Upside. A diet that.
डाइट मैम स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही
You also zoom. Someone else is presenting the screen. Who is presenting the screen?
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन चल
But someone else is presenting the screen.
कौन है यार मैम एक काम
हाँ
करता
बेटा
हूँ मैं
ओके म्यूट योर माइक
And you stop presenting Jafar Sadiq ID. Nayani Jafar Sadiq that ID. Stop presenting. Alpesh sir, tell him this Nayani Jafar Sadiq.
जी
Who is
हेलो
this ID?
कंप्यूटर में स्क्रीन नहीं बताती
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन ही नहीं दिख रही
Now I'm presenting.
यस
डबल आवाज आएगी ओके कंटिन्यू
A diet that has all the nutrients in the right amount, dietary fiber and water is called a balanced diet.
So what was the first question which I had asked just now to you? Do you remember what I asked you? What is a balance?
Maybe your voice is not coming.
Sure?
मैं वो बाहर आए
So the first question I asked was, what is a balance?
फिर से
So answer is written or which you have read?
that a diet that has all the
Nutrients.
किसी ने स्क्रीन दबा दिया
Again that ID only. Alpesh sir.
जिमी
જો ઓલો જાફર સાદિક નાયાણી ઈ
જાફર નાયાણી
જો
ઓકે એને લેફ્ટ કરી દઉં છું કયો એને લેફ્ટ કરી દઉં છું જાફર
નાયાણી જાફર સાદિક that ID.
नायानी जाफर कौन है स्क्रीन को टच नहीं करना है बेटा लास्ट वार्निंग कंटिन्यू मिस
So that day
जाफर मिस एक मिनट नीलम मिस एक मिनट कंटिन्यू रखो मिस તમે
So that day I had explained you there are few food group and suppose if you are only eating these food cereals and potato only then you will only get carbohydrate and you will not get protein vitamins and minerals you will not get. If you want to be healthy, to be fit, you have to eat everything from all the food group. You can suppose eat eggs, bread, then vegetables, milk and sandwich from all the food group one as per your selection, as your wish. Now Uvesh, read the second question. Poker Uvesh,
Yes, ma'am.
read second question.
Give the names of food. Give the name of foods.
Then in A,
For bones and teeth.
hmm,
To avoid constipation. For warmth. For growth.
so for first I am doing, and this is extra knowledge.
What is wrong? मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही मेरा आवाज नहीं आता मुझसे बहुत शॉर्ट पाएगा Then I can't listen your voice.
Ma'am,
मैम किसी की आवाज नहीं आ रही है मैम आपका नेट ही नहीं आ रहा
हेलो मिस जैनब मिस
जैनब मिस
हेलो जैनब मिस हेलो 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 हाँ बेटा वेट 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 हेलो
हेलो जैनब मैम
बेटा मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना हेलो हेलो जैनब मिस वैसा कौन છે એનું નામ हेलो हेलो हेलो
मैम आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा।
हेलो जैनब मैम मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही
जैनब मिस तो बजा दिया
आपकी
हम
स्क्रीन
जैनब मिस
सर जैनब मैम लेफ्ट
हाँ बेटा वेट 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 म्यूट योर माइक बेटा कैमरा बंद कर दे बेटा गाजी सारानी
गाजी तेरा कैमरा बंद कर दे
कैमरा बंद कर सब अपना माइक बंद कर दो बेटा हेलो जैनब मिस क्या છે પણ આમાં क्या बताए कोया बबला
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
आवाज नहीं आ रही मैम आपकी
एक
आवाज नहीं आ
सेकंड
रही मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही
कहते हैं आमा
हेलो अंडरस्टैंड
बेटा वेट
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही जैनब मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही
एक सेकंड
मैम आपकी नहीं आवाज नहीं आ रही
जैनब
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही
हेलो जैनब मिस
Quiet everyone. Sir, someone is removing me.
ए, मैंने बोला ना किसी
Wallpaper.
को स्क्रीन टच नहीं करना है बेटा, अभी रिमूव कर दूं मैं? हाँ, एक साथ में बोलना है सबको।
And
अब
now
कोई
go
भी
one.
स्क्रीन नहीं टच करेगा। यहाँ से मैं रिमूव कर दूंगा, बाद में नहीं ऐड करूंगा। कंटिन्यू मीन्स।
हाँ. Now Keshava or Keshwani Fatima. Tell me what I.
Ma'am, there are two Fatima.
Hi, you.
Ma'am, Mandy Hassan or Sakshi Keshwani?
Mandy Hassan. That one. What is written here? This fourth one. What is written? For. Are you giving answer or shall I ask to someone else? Keshwani Fatima. You unmute your mic, huh? Nayani. Zahra.
Ma'am,
I will give it the chance to everyone. Right now, Keshwani Fatima.
ma'am, there are two
I
Fatima.
said whose father name is Mehendi Hasan or that?
For bones and teeth,
No, only
to
the
avoid
option, fourth option. Only this fourth.
fourth option. For growth.
For growth. So I'm showing some picture. You tell me the meaning of growth. Okay?
Yes.
Now, what do you find here in this picture?
Height.
Height is growing, no? Height is also growing, like plant also grow. Yes. When you grow a
Yes.
plant, so the same way height also grows.
Yes.
Do you know other example? What can you say here? From birth to adult age, means till 18, 20 years old. What happens with your hair? It grows or not? Your hairs?
Growth.
Your hairs also grow, yes, and height also,
Yes.
then muscles also, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
muscles also.
Yes.
Okay. So that was meaning of growth. So for growth also, what we have to eat, some food are very important for the growth of our body. Milk and green leafy vegetable. That two are the most important for the growth of our body, height, and hairs.
Yes.
Now, Keshwani Fatima, you only, the one who is answering. Read the next question. Question
What
3.
is rough
Roughage. Roughage means beside nutrients, our body, when we eat food, so it's also contain fiber. Like just now I have explained in that picture, dietary fiber. I had explained you dietary fiber. This one. And the another name for this is roughage. So there are two names for this. One is dietary fiber and second is roughage. So this fiber is also known as roughage. And it cannot be digested. That also I had explained you. That it cannot be digested and will remain as waste material. So to remove means to remove that means to separate that thing from our body. This will be helpful to removing waste material only, because useful material will be remain as it is in our body, and we want also that material to remain in our body. We don't want waste material. So to remove waste material from our body. Okay, so it will be helpful for that. And some food which are very important for that, the list of the food is given upside: cereal, corn, green leafy vegetable, and fruit. So this is the list of food items you can see here, which will help you to remove waste material. So this is the basically revision. So pay attention. Okay, now next question. Sakina, Himani Sakina is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next question.
What is roughage?
That I explain. Next.
Why do we need to preserve food?
Preserve means store. We are storing the food in fridge, sometime in the refrigerator. Yes. Suppose if you will not preserve or store your food in a fridge, and you are keeping your food on the table only or in the room only for 24 hours or 48 hours, then what will happen with your food, Sakina? It will remain healthy only, your food. You understand my question, Sakina?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood my question, Bhimani Sakina?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood the question, no? Otherwise, I'm repeating it. See, I am asking you. Preserve means store, and we are keeping our food in fridge, or through other way we are preserving the food like drying, bottling, and canning. That way. Suppose you have healthy food and you are not keeping your food in the fridge and you are keeping your food on the table only, then what will happen with your food?
हमारा फूड गंदा हो जाएगा और वो बिगड़ जाएगा और हमें नए पैसे खरीदने पड़ेंगे। नया सब खरीदना नया लेना पड़ेगा। ना मिस खाली बुक देखा है मोटू न देखा था।
Who is that? Nayani Jafar
कैसे
Sadiq.
चलना का पिंजरा आता नहीं
Who is that?
मैम
In
वो
that ID?
खराब हो जाएगा।
You all please mute your mic. Let me talk with this
Mute your
ID.
mic. रिमूव कर दो बेटा, जिसके भी माइक चालू है उसको रिमूव कर देता हूँ।
And this
बंद कर
ID
दो
also
चलो।
specially. This ID, Nayani Jafar Sadiq. That ID specially. And if you want to talk with your mother, then also mute the mic. You are talking with your mother and your mic is also unmute. Everything is get recorded. So, right answer, Sakina. That through this method of preservation of food, we can keep our food for a long time. That also healthy and it will not get spoiled. Very good. Now, Nurul, you read question number 5.
Yes. Why does our body need
Proper rest.
proper rest and
Regular
उसका बाद क्या
exercise.
लिखा? Regular
Regular.
exercise.
Do you remember?
Regular exercise.
Do you remember I told you that for how many hours you must sleep, you must take rest. Are you taking rest at
6 or
night?
8.
Very
Yes,
good.
12 hours.
Oh. And in the textbook, what was written? For how many hours we should sleep?
I
In
can
textbook,
sleep
what was
6 hours to 8. 6 hours to 8 hours.
Very good. And that is necessary for every. And now for regular exercise. Suppose now next question for Nurul only. Suppose if you are not taking rest for 6 hours, you are only taking rest for 2 hours. Only 2 hours.
I cannot. I can pain my head.
You will get pain in your head. Yes, your brain will not work properly. You will not able to study. Yes, without taking rest.
Yes.
Very good. Now next question.
I want to. मैम मैं जब वो करता हूँ ना, जब आप बोलते हो ना रेस्ट, और जब ओछा करता हूँ तब तक चालू स्कूल में ही सो जाता हूँ।
Okay, now you mute your mic. I will ask to someone else. Umesh.
मैम can
Okay,
I?
Amir is present. Sadi Amir. Amir is present.
Yes ma'am.
हाँ. See, Nurul has explained this. That for how many hours we should take rest. Yes, that he explained. Now you explain about this regular exercise. If you will do regular exercise, what will happen? And if you will not do regular exercise, then what will happen? You will be fit or not? Fit or not?
Yes. Yes.
You will do exercise. Yes.
Exercise. We will do exercise.
Then you will be fit.
Yes.
Hmm.
And
Who is that? You all mute your mic. I'm saying the name. That person will only give the answer. Now, Amir, mute your mic now. Okay, now I think so time is up. So today's homework, listen it carefully. I will send the PDF of the solution of the exercise of first lesson, and that you have to copy in your fair book. So in your fair book, you have to copy that lesson.
मैम
Yes.
आप
Yes.
6 मोकलोगे क्या यार? 6 मोकलो,
What?
5 ही मोकलोगे ना?
I will send today. Today I will send the answer
Only
of
5 ना? मैम कितने भेजोगे आप?
right now I'm sending only. I will send. Till 5 o'clock I will send.
No, 5 o'clock नहीं, 3 o'clock. मैं तो काम पड़ी ना.
Till 3 or 5 or 4 o'clock I will send, and then you have to copy that in your fair book.
No, 3 o'clock.
I will try. I'm not.
मैम. हेलो मैम, किसने शिफ्ट करने का है?
What?
मैम व्हाट्सएप में आ जाएगा?
I will send the WhatsApp group of 4th standard. In 4th standard WhatsApp group, I will send that. Even I have sent the textbook image also.
Okay.
Now I will send the fair book. Okay, the image of the fair book, and then that you do. And now again revise this lesson also and come with the doubts tomorrow. Tomorrow we will continue from here.
No. Bye, ma'am.
Tomorrow I will make you solve this. Okay?
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, 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 ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye. Kalau tu. Bye, ma'am. 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 Bye, Zainab.